Up first this evening, sleepless nights, agony and pain. The reaction from residents of Jacques Roads and surrounding communities in St. Andrew to the latest upsurge of violence involving men linked to rival gangs in the area. Now, just yesterday, a man was killed on Mountain View Avenue, which has caused renewed fears, especially since schools reopen tomorrow. TVJ's KELESHA Williams was in the community today and now reports.
It's after 5 in Jacques Road, St. Andrew, a friendly football match underway. It's quite the opposite of what has been happening in the community over the past few weeks. On the other side of the street, police and soldiers on standby as residents gather here.
It's a very terrible impact. When I say terribly, terrible, because my best friend lose her husband for no reason at all. A big 60-year-old man who gets 11 gunshots. This man don't even know how gun look.
I'm standing outside the Jacques Road Community Center where residents are pouring in to have a meeting with the political representatives in the area to see how best they can address the recent flare-up that has been wreaking havoc in the community.
Right now I have to send my kids them. My kids them isn't here because they are terrified of what's going on and they're scared to go to school. My big daughter leave because she says she cannot take what's going on. Or you expect me to feel at home alone while I have my kids them because of stupidness.
Just Saturday, a 44-year-old man, Lyndon Bernard, was shot and killed near the Excelsior High School on Mountain View Avenue. It's why residents are concerned about the safety of children in Mountain View and its environs as school reopens on Monday. To make matters worse, residents say the political representatives have taken too long to intervene.
They're going to wait until babies and women start to dead.
But Member of Parliament for Southeast St. Andrew, which includes Jacques Road, Julian Robinson, disagrees. He says the conflict in Mountain View has been long-standing, so government will have to strategize.
I have tried. I have been, as I said, I was in the community on Tuesday. Speaking to the residents. They want peace. I think there are other stakeholders who must come on board. FAYVAL Williams has said she's willing. I think the leadership of the JLP has to play a role as well. The communities that are in conflict are strong JLP communities. Yes, they're in my constituency, but they vote about 99% JLP. It requires leadership at that level as well, in addition to the efforts that law enforcement will make to bring about a solution to this problem.
I would not agree with that. You have two sides who, my understanding of what people say, there's a construction site that was down here. There were some issues about who took what from the construction site. One would not have expected that would have gotten to this. The police were involved at that time.
She is hoping that Sunday's meeting will allow residents to share their grouses and work with the political representatives to restore normality in the community. KELESHA Williams, TVJ News.